Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering a clean 1 or 2L plastic bottle, sharp scissors, a craft knife, sandpaper, primer paint, and hot glue. Once you have tools, rinse and dry the bottle so paint adheres. Make sure to remove the label. Next, use a marker to draw the cut lines. Separate a stable base, a head/torso piece, and wing outlines. Cut slowly and deliberately. Short strokes reduce slips. This early precision makes later shaping and gluing far easier and safer for you. You now shape the torso and accessories. Trim jagged edges and sand with 120-220 grit so primer holds. Take your time to avoid thin spots. Cut wings from flattened bottle sides, fold a small tab for gluing, and slightly curve each wing to mimic a penguin silhouette. For the beak, section the bottle neck, trim a triangular tip, and test fit before glue. Once glued, hold pieces in place until set. This step defines the penguin's recognizable. You finish by priming all plastic surfaces, then paint the back black and the belly white. Use a small brush for clean edges and eye dots. Once dry, add a few pebbles or clay to the base interior to lower the center of gravity so the penguin stands. Apply a clear varnish to protect paint and add sheen. If paint peels or chips, sand the area lightly, reprime, and repaint. This troubleshooting step fixes adhesion issues and keeps your penguin looking crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.